Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get your online bank statement of Halifax. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is simply access your Halifax mobile banking app, or you can choose to access your browser on your computer and simply type in halifax.com and simply sign in. Upon doing that, you will be able to access your accounts. Here in this your accounts option on top, and beside each of your account you will be able to see this option of statements and the recent activities, which includes this option of view statements on the side. All you have to do is tap on it. Here you will be able to access all of the recent statements of yours, and that is the way for you to see it, view it, right? Other thing is that even you can also choose to simply access your online banking and tap on the menu option and choose the statement options. And here in this section you will find a direct option called monthly PDFs. All you have to do is tap on it. It will simply open the new tab with your statement in the PDF as a PDF file. All you have to do is you can check it out. You can simply download it on your device. You can be your phone, or it can be on a computer. You can also choose to simply print it out directly and store it, but that is a simple way for you to access it. You can do it from the options, or you can do it simply for accessing your account and tapping on view statement. So this is the way for you to view and download it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.